This is week 7 of my journey to become a profitable trader. Before we start, a quick update. I wasn't able to upload a video for week 6. The week got really busy and I simply didn't have the time to record. But the process didn't stop. And now we move into week 7. Also a quick note on how I document the trades on this channel from now on. Every Sunday I analyze the markets and upload the preparation for the week here on YouTube. Then during the week, when trades develop, for example when the trade hits take profit or stop loss, I post small market updates on the YouTube community page. So if you want to follow the trades during the week, you can check the community posts. And then at the end of the week, usually I upload on Friday or Saturday, I upload the full review from the last week. So let's hop right onto the charts. On the first pair, Euro JPY, you can see we are in a downtrend on the weekly, and on the daily we just shifted from an internal uptrend into a downtrend again, and on the 4 hour as well we are in a downtrend. So I marked up a area of interest on the daily, as you can see, rejecting here, here, and here. So I waited price to give me a retest of this area of interest to then sell to the downside. That's the trade that I'm currently in, and I'm using the checklist from FXLXG currently here. This is the checklist that I'm using, and I have marked out a 70% win rate for this trade. So here we are on the next pair, Euro GBP. On the weekly, we are also in a downtrend. We are currently creating the left head, right shoulder right here. So I'm waiting for a quick retest of the neckline to then sell to the downside. On the daily, we already had quite of a retest, but I think it's gonna give me a better retest. This is not enough for me to sell to the downside because it's just a big candle. Like, market is behaving so bad right now for swing trading or intraday trading, but that's what I'm currently doing with Euro GBP. So let's head on to the next pair. Here we are on GBP JPY. So on the daily I have 3 area of interest marked out. As you can see, we are in an uptrend and we have clean areas of interest. Whenever we are above, we are buying, and whenever we are under, we are selling at this area of interest as well. So I just wanted to get a quick retest like already last week, but this is not a good enough retest for me to head to the upside because we have so much orders that can get filled in this area right here that it's not safe for me to buy now. So I need to wait for better confirmation, but on the daily it would look pretty good. But on the weekly, and on the other hand, we are in a downtrend, in a bad downtrend. Like, I don't really know if I should count these candles, but I would say we are. But it can be that we just rejected from the EMA and heading to the upside to create a higher high again. But what I need to do now is just wait for it to give me confirmation. What would be good is if we get down here and then can get a head and shoulders or a market shift, just so we can enter this trade to the upside. So let's head into NZD USD. On NZD USD, it's a pretty bad setup. It just, all the setups that I'm currently saying is just, I don't think they're really good, but if market gives me really the opportunity to buy or sell, a good opportunity, I might do it maybe. But these setups are pretty bad. You can see on the weekly we are in an uptrend, and we had a retest right here in this area of interest, we had a retest in this area of interest, but we kept going to the downside. As you can see on the daily, we reacted from every area of interest, but we still went to the downside. So what I need to wait now is either a close under and then a retest, or a close above this daily lower high. Sorry, I'm so bad. Because we are in a downtrend on the daily, we are in an internal downtrend, but we have so much momentum to the downside, so I can't just buy right here. Exactly how we did. Where did we do it? Oh, I deleted the trade, but I did buy on right here, I think, and then it stopped me out. Or was it another pair where you made? Oh yeah, it was here. Oh no. What? Okay, forget it. So, but I just need to wait for good confirmation now. Either I need a clean market shift and then a quick retest to then sell or buy. And on GBP USD and on Euro USD, those two pairs are basically the same setup. We could create a right shoulder right here to sell to the downside, but the move is so big already. Like, I don't think it's gonna create a right shoulder, or maybe it's gonna create a right shoulder but not a clean one. But I just need to see what price does, if I want to continue to sell on this pair or not, because on the daily it would look clean, but we had so much repeated right here. Like, we had lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, so clean. So I kind of do expect now to get a breakout of this downtrend, but if not, we are just continuing to sell to the downside with this downtrend. And on Euro USD, it's exactly the same. So those were all the trades already that I'm going to take if market gives me the opportunity for this week. So yeah. So the goal for this week is not to force trades. The goal is to stay consistent with the process, one good decision at a time, and only take A+ setup trades, so I can really improve on my trading skills, because I really want to get a profitable trader. So this is FX Control. Thank you for watching.